Getting the right protein powder for muscle building. Proteins are building blocks that are required to grow and repair muscle tissue. When you are participating in any activity that breaks down the muscle tissue such as progressive resistance training, you need protein powder to help recover and repair the muscle tissues. It is not enough to eat foods that are rich in proteins such as chicken, milk, fish, cheese, eggs, and beef. You need something to supplement this, and what can be readily be absorbed by the body. Proteins are also found in fruits, grains, vegetables and cereals such as rice, pasta, nuts, and potatoes. However, a large percentage of these proteins are not regarded to be essential proteins. Therefore, when you count your daily protein needs, it is advisable to count only the essential or complete proteins. In order to gain muscle mass or lose fats, you need to increase your intake of proteins. One of the ways used to determine the amount of proteins you need daily is multiplying your body mass by 1.5 and then dividing it with the number of meals you consume per day. Sometimes, it can be hard to achieve this target, and that is why to take 2 to 3 protein shakes a day. This is advantageous in the following ways. Convenience. Faster absorption for the post-workouts requirement. Better digestion and absorption. Constant flooding of amino acids at all the times. Watch the video to learn more. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It is therefore necessary to include some protein powder into your daily diet. This will help you achieve your daily protein requirements. However, it is quite tricky to get the right protein powder which will boost your muscle building. It is very important to research about the different types and brands of protein powders on the market. You can kickstart your search from product reviews. Look for highly rated products and reviewed by experts. Check for things such as money-back guarantee. In addition, the health products you use should be clinically tested and have proven results. Using the best protein powder will help you achieve your goals. If your aim is to lose weight and build lean muscle, it is a good idea to get the right supplementation to help you achieve your goals. It is unfortunate that most people overlook health supplements. This will help them enhance their success and feel satisfied throughout the day. One of the supplements you will take into account is protein powder. It needs to be a high-quality supplement that is clinically tested and proven results. Getting adequate protein is very important in building muscles and burning fats. In fact, the powder makes the process extremely easy. However, if you have ever visited a health store, you will realize there are hundreds of different brands of protein powders. This can really overwhelm you in making the decision. Picking the right health product is not simply a straightforward task. This is because you are not 100% sure of what you are looking for. However, if you are aware of what the basic terms are and what you want to achieve, picking the right protein powder is not going to be a difficult process. The following are some of the things you ought to know. Whey isolate protein powder. You can easily get this protein powder in health supplement stores. This powder is ideal before and after workouts use. It is extremely low in fats and it is made to be released rapidly into bloodstream. After breaking your muscles down, you need a supplement that will build them quite faster, and this is the right product that will help you accomplish the same. It is advisable to consume 1 scoop before and another after the workout session. Casein protein powder. Casein protein powders are made to be broken slowly into the body. In this way, they release steadier stream of the essential amino acids over time. This explains why they should be used before the workouts or at breakfast or before sleeping. However, there is no problem consuming them throughout the day. It is important to note that this type of protein powder is little more fat than the isolate protein powder. However, these are just few grams that should not get you worried. You can search any protein powder on Amazon.com, just click the link in the description below. Thank you for time. Don't forget hit the subscribe button.